Kuya, born in Brooklyn, New York back in the late 80s, the home of Bear concept to create a reggae apparel brand. He got the notion from Peter Tosh.
I met him in 1985, had a personal conversation with him, and he said to me, why not do something reflecting the Jamaica and the Rasta culture? And I've always had the name Cooyah in mind because country people them call me Cooyah.
So fast forward to 2023, you think you've pulled it off? Has it panned out how you wanted it to pan out?
Absolutely.
Today's hipsters quick to snap up a Kuya t-shirt or hoodie at one of the two outlets Kuya has opened since relaunching last year.
And here we are.
Kuya's Gary Cardner happy with the new location.
They gave us a good offer, and not only the offer was good, the plan that they brought to us was a great plan because they want this place to represent the best of Jamaica's brands. And I thought that's a great idea to have, for lack of a better term, a high-end shopping mall representing Jamaica's culture is what Cooyah packages. He's a creative genius. Homer probably is a little bit older in age, but in thinking and his flex, he's much younger than I am sometimes.
18 to 44 is a big customer base for us because the people over 44 already know the brand. When I did this concept, Bad Like 90s dancehall, my brothers thought, but Bad Like 90s dancehall is taking on a life of its own right now. And we are gonna produce a limited edition of these shirts, signed, numbered, and we're gonna go with that. We have denim products, dresses, just beautiful stuff. Kuya has a full clothing line.
We do mostly prints on fabric, and we also design from scratch. We're coming out with embroidered products right now with smaller logo prints and even shirts like what I'm wearing. We're listening, we're gonna stay current for a long time.
With design input from creatives like Zaid Smith.
I'm a fashion designer as well as a visual artist. Only one option was to just merge everything together. It's just a culture, vibes.
Kuya, all about reflecting a hip take on Jamaican popular music culture, but stock originating in Florida, where the brand has a screen printing factory. Ideally, you would want to be manufacturing here, but right now it's not possible.
No, right now it's not possible. My brothers are screen printers running day-to-day operation while I can be here in Jamaica having a good time, and I'm happy about that.
I like that look, a new denim look coming out at Kuya.
Absolutely. This is going to be part of our new denim collection coming out in the summer.
Dion Gordon, part of Kemet, the distribution company responsible for relaunching Kuya. And I also like the denim jacket.
Yeah, Akaya is wearing our re-released Rasta denim jacket. It's super cool, super chic. You can wear it in Jamaica, you can wear it abroad. We have customers who are calling us all over the globe to get their hands on this piece of garment here.
The thing is though, right now you couldn't have done them here.
Super difficult. It's expensive. I think there is a little bit of a skills gap that we need to fill in Jamaica to be able to do this, and that's one of the key responsibilities that we feel at Cooyah, to be able to bring high quality manufacturing back to the Caribbean. It used to be here, used to be here, and we're proud to be part of that story. It's going to take a massive investment, not just from folks in the apparel industry, but the broader Jamaica economy, right? We need our powers that be to understand the power of the creative work that's coming out of Jamaica and tap into that and help us bring jobs back to Jamaica in the manufacturing sector. I mean, we can't compete with China, it's impossible. But to be able to do niche things like what we're doing at Cooyah, it's very, very possible. It's very possible to do, and we need investment to be able to do that.
Is Kuya going to have to get investors, partners to expand?
Yes, but we're looking for the right investors. For example, the bank interest rates sometimes are just too high. So traditional funding in Jamaica sometimes is unsustainable. So we're looking for the right investors who will give the right moratorium to make sure that the payback is within a good enough time and also adds value to the company.
Thumbs up to Kuya, collectible clothing projecting reggae and dancehall style.
In terms of it look, Kuya mean to me like trendy fashion and like you have to have peace or just that internationally. If you not have a Kuya, then maybe you not vibe Jamaica energy.